Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just received 25 USD and 250,000 SK token. Now this SK app is a communication app that just looks like FB and WhatsApp, where you can be able to interact with people, but only with people that are using this SK app. And you can be able to join this app regardless of the country that you are in. Okay, now in this video I'm going to be taking you through the step-to-step processing, starting from the registration of how you can start and also end this token instantly. You are going to be earning an instant 20 USD when you sign up using the link on my description. That is my referral link. So once you get the link, you're going to sign up and receive this 20 USD and also 200,000 SK tokens. Although these SK tokens can't be distributed now yet, but you can be able to earn this USD, and I'm going to show you how you're going to withdraw this USD instantly into your Trust wallet. So before I continue, this is Customers the Crypto. Please, I bring you updates on crypto, Web3, AI job, anything that concerns making money online. So if this is the type of content that you're looking for, you are in the right channel. So go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. So if you have any question about this app, make sure that you drop it right there on the comment section, where I'm going to be answering every single question. And if you want to join our community, I'll be dropping the link of our community right there on the description of this video. I'm talking about the Telegram channel and also the Telegram group. The link of this app will be also right there on the Telegram channel. So let's get to what we have today. So this SK app is a communication app, like I told you. So this is the communication chat room, where you can be able to also see people that have already accumulated this token, or they are still accumulating this token. Okay, so we can go ahead right here and say anything, communicate with them, and ask them how the app is. So if there's any new update, you are going to be also getting it right here. Once you get the link of this app, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. So go ahead, you can be able to download the app right there on the Play Store or on the web app. So go ahead and simply click on the app for you to be able to download the app. Okay, that is the app. I've already downloaded it. So let me just go ahead and log out and show you how this app works. Okay, so once you are done downloading the app, go ahead and click on create an account. You can select any country you are in. If you are in Bangladesh, if you are in India, but if you are not in these two countries, go ahead and select on others. Then go ahead and write my name and your email. Go ahead and input the referral link, which will also right there on the Telegram group. So once you get to the referral link, they're going to send you a code right there on Telegram. Input the code and your account is ready. So that is how simple it is for you to create an account. Okay, so once your account is active, you're going to receive an instant 20 USDT as your welcome bonus. Okay, and you're going to also receive 200,000 SK tokens. So once you have gotten that into your wallet, I'm going to show you how you can be able to accumulate more tokens. So what you need to do is to go right there on the temple. So go right here every single day on the temple and lit a candle. So let me just go ahead and click on lit a candle. And if you lit a candle, you're going to be earning 50,000 SK token instantly. So that is their daily earning. So I just got 300,000 SK token and 30 USDT instantly. Okay, that is how you can be able to increase your USDT right there in this app. Okay, so another way for you to earn in this app is also through referral. So the more you refer friends, the more you can be able to earn some token. You can be able to earn as long as 10 USDT, 5 USDT, depending on the amount of people that you can be able to invite. So that is how simple this app works. I'm still researching on the app, and I'm going to be dropping the withdrawal video right there on Telegram. So go ahead and start claiming these SK points and also getting your USDT right there in your wallet. If there's any question at all, drop it right there on the comment section. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and stay tuned for the withdrawal video. So see you guys on the next video.